So the next question, natural question therefore is to ask, what are the capabilities that will help drive transformation in banking and financial services? So this is the topic of the next slide, which is up on your screens right now. So the answers come from doing customer profiling and segmentation. When I say segmentation, micro segmentation, to the extent that we are able to know customers one-on-one basis. And then of course predictive models for customer behavior, which is not only based on structured data but a lot of unstructured data, to track even the moods of customers and to track their life events and to see what kind of, how their financial needs change before they even articulate it, to understand their needs and see what products we can provide. And then having a 360-degree view of customers across the enterprises. So if he is having multiple accounts or multiple needs for multiple financial products, to have a complete view of that customer. And also to combine all this with governance, risk and compliance, which is, as I said, the basis of how banks operate. So all this is having a, the combined aspect of all this is having a big impact on transformational initiatives, and this is where big data comes into play. So I'm just going to run through quickly a few slides which will take a very simple example and see how one of the big data technologies and how it can provide this kind of a transformational opportunity for a bank. So basically we are focused on business outcome here. So we are looking at a 3-step process where all the existing applications and processes are understood well, and we are looking for insights that can solve pain points in these processes. Let's take a simple process here which is outlined here, where a customer has a billing question and then he goes through that IVR route, and then there is an agent talking to him, and then the problem is discussed and the solution is proposed, and then the agent receives the next best offer and pitches it to the customer, and the customer accepts it. So this is a typical process that goes on. And what we are seeing today is the effort of banks to build in some kind of a big data dimension into this traditional process of a customer interacting with an agent and getting a product of his choice. Okay. I'm moving to the next slide, which is showing some details of this process.